In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly change your Outlook password on your phone. A lot of people change their email password and then suddenly their Outlook app stops working, keeps asking for a password, or their emails just don't sync anymore. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the proper way to handle it on your phone so everything keeps running smoothly. First, grab your phone and open the Outlook app. Make sure you're using the official Microsoft Outlook app, not just the built-in mail app from your phone's operating system. Once you're in Outlook, look toward the top left or top right corner for your profile icon or the menu icon. Tap that to open the side menu. Then find the section where your email accounts are listed. From here, tap on the email account whose password you've changed or want to change. This will open the account settings page. On this screen, look for something like Account Info, Mail Account Settings, or Edit Login Information. The wording can vary slightly depending on whether you're using Android or iPhone, and on which version of Outlook you have. But the idea is the same. You want to get to the place where your incoming and outgoing server details or sign-in details are stored. Once you've found the sign-in section, tap into the password field. Now, this is important. Make sure you've already changed your password through the official method first, usually through your email provider's website or security portal. Outlook on your phone doesn't create the new password. It just needs to be updated to match the one you already set on your account. Carefully type in your new password. Take your time here, because a single wrong character will stop Outlook from connecting. If you're in a public place or recording your screen, be sure no one can see your password. When you're done, tap Save, Done, or the check mark, depending on what your app shows. Now go back to your inbox and give it a moment. You should see Outlook start syncing your emails again. If it doesn't, pull down to refresh the inbox and see if any error message appears. If you get a sign-in prompt again, re-enter the new password to confirm it was typed correctly. Once everything is syncing without errors, you're finished. Your Outlook app is now correctly updated with your new password, and your emails should continue to come through on your phone without interruptions.